everybody, I'm Jessica with Wig Studio 1. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you Emmett by Estetica in the color RM12-26CH. This wig is part of the new Vibe collection that was just recently released. This wig was sent to me by Wig Studio 1 for the purpose of this review. All information and the link will be in the description box below. We would also love for you to join our private Facebook group, Wig Studio 1 Wig and Topper Support Group. The link will also be in the description box below. Here's Emmett from all angles. Emmett is a basic cap, the ear tabs, the adjusters, the bra strap adjusters. It has really nice stretch and it's really comfortable. I've never really worn a pixie before, so I really feel like this would be so comfortable for summer when, for me in Texas, it's really hot and wearing a long wig is really hard to do. So I think this would be perfect for the summer months. Thank you for watching my short review of Emmett by Estetica in the color RM12-26CH. Please hit the like button, tap subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications for more reviews like this.